Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program to find the index of a character in a string. And we are going to use the find and index functions. First of all, we are going to ask the user to enter a string. And the enter the string from the user is going to be stored in the text variable. For example, the user is going to enter Reza. So text equals Reza, okay? Then we are going to ask the user to enter the character to find. So I would like to find the index of character Z. Okay, so character would be equal to Z. Okay, so I would like to find the index of Z in the string result. This is what the program is all about. And we're going to do it using the find and index function. Using the find function, I type down the name of my string called text and then dot find. This is the find function. Find, and in parentheses, I type down the name of the character that I'm looking for to find its string. Okay. And the result of this is assigned to find index. And here I'm using the print function to simply print the value that is stored in find underscore index. Then in order to do the same thing with index function, we're going to type down the name of the string text.index function. So index function, and in parentheses, again, we type down the name of the character. Okay. So here is the char, and then the output of this is assigned to the index variable. Then we are printing out the index. So let me run the code. Before that, let me mention something else as well. So the index of R is 0. The index R equals 0. E index is 1. Z index is 2. And A index is 3. Why? We start from 0. So R, the index of R character in this string is 0. The index of E is 1. And etc. until the end. A equals 3. Why we start? Because simply we start from 0, and this is why the first element index is 0, and the last element, in this case the fourth character index is 3. So here it says enter a string. I type down Reza, and it says enter the character to find. So I type down Z, for example. It says character Z found at index using find function at index 2 and using index function at index 2 as well. So the Z character is at index 2 indeed, and we use the find function and index function to find the index of this character for us. This is how we can simply type down the name of the string dot the find function, and in parentheses we type down the variable that is carrying the character that we are looking for. And the same goes with the index function. We type down the name of the variable and then the index function, and in parentheses we type down the variable that is carrying the index, that the character that we are looking for to find its index. Thank you for watching.